Okay, today I'm gonna head out. It's almost noon now. Got a late start, but I'm gonna head out to the BLM land towards Devil's Mountain, I believe. I'm gonna have to park the truck probably and go for a little walk. And take the 20 gauge today and try to go for some quail. Doubt I'll see any chukar because it's a pretty flat area, even though I've heard that they're out there. Just see what I can get. Gotta watch out, make sure I don't hit any grouse because they're out there and they're protected. So just got to be very mindful of what I'm actually shooting at. And then let's see if we can get anything. Okay, some cool bluffs. I think that's where the Paisley caves are, is right over there. 14,000-year-old human poop has been found in there by the University of Oregon. This used to be a lake bed, I guess, long time ago. So I'm planning on maybe parking. I think that's where the wildlife preserve area starts. I might walk up on that ridge line and maybe up and over it, because that's where grouse like to hang out, is in the rocks. So I got some lead shot, so in case something ricochets, it won't hit me, hopefully. And see if I can get some grouse or either quail. I'm hoping quail might be out here as well. See what I can get. But beautiful. Kind of out in the middle of nowhere. There are some private holdings out here. I'm not, like this one here, you can see it's fenced off. I'm not sure what that designates, but this is all BLM out here. Let's see what we find out. I don't know if you can see in the rear view mirror, but there's a white pickup truck back there. And these guys are rabbit hunting out here. They're from Portland. Oh shoot, I got a fork in the road. Yep, I want to go this way. I think I want to go that way. Yeah. So I'm going to try and hit this ridge line up here. Let's pass the Paisley caves and see if I can get some chukar or quail. But I got J Spear territory out there. That's there. I see some birds flying out there. So basically I'm heading straight towards that ridge line. Let's see if I can, I haven't seen any birds flying around. And I haven't seen any rabbits either. Not that I'm going for rabbit, but let's see what happens. The playa, if you could see it, it's that white stuff out there. Okay, that's it behind the sign. Certain activities, public lands may be restricted. You basically got to walk on it, but you can hunt on it still. So I'm getting closer to the ridge line here, but I don't see any game birds. Still, I don't know. You never know. Definitely the terrain has changed up here. It's like a lot siltier. The road keeps going. But it's really rough now. 4-wheel drive time. This is the kind of terrain I think I'm looking for, though. Another sign. Check my hunting app just to make sure I'm in the right spot. My hazard detection stuff is going crazy now. Well, ran into a gate. So what I'm going to do is there's a ridge and there's 2 or 3 watering holes right in there. And that is BLM land. So I'm just going to hop the fence, walk in there, and see if there's any birds. Okay, walk in the ridge line, or fence line I should say. This is a ridge. It's like this hard pan with sagebrush. Interesting. I haven't seen anything though. It's beautiful out here. It smells like sage. Oh. You can see the playa out there. Just for the 4-wheel drive adventure and getting out in the middle of nowhere is kind of nice after a long week of dealing with budgets and budget cuts. Politics. It's nice to relax out here. Definitely much different than the places I've lived around the world, where there are usually just tons and tons of people. The remoteness out here is really a nice change. Yeah, you can definitely see the playa. Look at that, that's amazing. It's so cool. Well, hopefully the wind doesn't mess up the audio. Yeah, as far as you can see. Nice. Anyway, I think I'm just gonna hike out for a little bit. I'm gonna double back. And then got a race tomorrow, so I gotta go long drive. About 4 hours each way for a half-an-hour race. Be interesting. But I gotta keep the racing going. Wow, look at this hard pan. It's like tile. Mother Nature's tiling. Okay, I'll get some more footage of the drive back probably. That'll be it. See if I catch anything or see any birds. I'll capture that, but doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Till next time. Coyote! He's hiding. Red House Road.